or like some shit like that. So let's get the fuck out of here.
Oh, cute yawning noise is the subtitle that appeared on my screen.
She's in a couple pieces of the DLC actually.
I know, yeah, I heard.
She's in Mr. Torg's campaign of
Yeah, it's your trainer, my friend told me.
Oh yeah.
Noah, my boy Noah, who is notorious for being late, and his lady friend is just like him, is also a huge fan of Borderlands.
Oh, get me out of the Varkids. I don't want to be in here. Fucking hate these things.
Why'd you run right towards their nest?
Because you have to get to the end of the level. Or the beginning of the level. You have to, like, run through here. There's pieces of a train that we blew up just, like, in the lakes.
Well, I killed the mean, nasty Varkids.
Oh, there's a whole other area filled with them. And it's worse because it's an even smaller area. Like, it's not an open range.
I'm just saying I killed the ones that were following us, dude. That's all I'm saying.
Money, 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 money.
Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. The panting as they run.
Oh, there's 2 Necromancer class mods that are somewhat similar.
I have that one.
Alright, I'm gonna open up the chat on my iPod. I'm gonna open up the chat stream on my iPod to see what it looks like. See if we're behind. We probably are, but...
I mean, how many viewers do we have to chat? Because there's only like 1 viewer. Can't exactly be behind in the chat, because there's no one to chat with. Do you want me to go through this, or are we going to a different area altogether?
Let me check the... Is there a there's a fast travel right here. Let me check. Because it might not matter, but... Yeah, we'll just go from here.
That's why I asked. Bad touch.
Yeah, I guess I'd have to go on my computer and like see what the stream looked like because I can't see it on my iPod. So.
I thought it tells you about the chat like on the sidebar of your screen.
Yeah, it says we have 4 viewers and there are 11 comments, which I believe all of them are from Alba, who is long since gone.
Get your health and shields right here.
Hopefully our 4 viewers enjoy
Try not to die.
us.
Do you want me to get a car?
No, you know, cars are for the weak. We should work on our cardio.
But my car has saw blades. Oh yeah, this is the place we died. But this is the place we died before.
You'll be able to reconnect with your friends after you get through the fridge.
You shut up, you whore! I don't want to talk to you anymore. Broke my heart.
Such beautiful misery.
Yeah, man. Pretty girls are trouble. Especially ones that tell you to find
my mom and I were in the car listening to the radio, and guess who's going on tour?
Who?
Oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll chew. Yeah, they're going on tour.
Cool.
She only come out at night.
Lean and hungry, tired.
Alright, let's go to the fridge. There's a lot of shit to do in the fridge. There's like a whole arena. Yeah, there's a whole arena, like, side quest we can do, which gets really difficult. You have to get this... Because you have to, like, look at it a certain way, and then it just gives you money. Sanctuary has disappeared. Crap.
We are not friends anymore, are we?
Nope.
Son of a witch. The door's iced over. Let me help you with that.
No, I don't want your help. Leave me alone.
You're so angry.
I will never forgive her.
You will.
No.
Well, let's just go and do a bunch of side quests that are in here, because there's a shit ton of them.
Dude, you know me, I'm all about side quests, but I also want to progress this friggin' story!
I know!
Ugh.
Your little lunchbox has a little explosion on it.
Yeah, well.
Please insert any donated organs into the receptacle below.
Thanks, Dr.
See
J.
you real soon, I'm sure.
I've been following Jack's orders from the beginning. Jack modified the power core you found to have a Hyperion network uplink. Through it, I was able to access Sanctuary's defenses and lower them. It was all part of Jack's plan.
I figured that much, you whore.
Welcome to the fridge. Home of the rats. And Rackman. One of these guys just screamed, "I smell delicious," as I burned him alive.
I'm starving. Keep the blood pouring.
Yeah, there's a lot of tunnel rats.
That reminds me of the tunnel snakes.
From Fallout?
Yeah. Tunnel snakes!
Man, I saw a really fucked up video where someone didn't, Ooh. I got a new mod that gives me more max health. And a slag grenade! That's better than my grenade, so I'm taking it. I saw a video where, like, they get to the part in Fallout 3 where what's-his-face comes up to you, and he's like, "You gotta save my mom!" And, like, the guy who was playing was just a dick, and he was like, "No." He was like, "Fuck you." So the guy runs away screaming that his mom's gonna die.
That's funny. I mean, no, it's not. It's actually awful.
That's funny. Alright, let's,
Oh, look at that. An SMG.
Oh yeah, these
not
ice
good,
sculptures drop shit, so... We gotta get through the fridge, and we can't go through that door yet, so we gotta keep looking. Don't worry, we'll get a bunch of... We'll eventually get side quests that bring us back here. For right now, I think we just have to, like, truck through it all.
That's fine, man. Progressing the story is what I live for. I also live for side quests.
5 years ago, I tricked Rover and
Oh
his
my
friends
God.
into opening the vault. I told them just to protect Pandora from a great evil.
Oh my gosh, this little fucking thief is stealing money from me.
Jack knew that the fortune of the iridium was in the vault. He was too much of a coward to open it himself. He got the vault hunters to do his dirty work. I'm so tired of manipulating people.
Then why did you continue to do it?
Yeah, Angel, you know, your logic's really flawed.
Am I supposed to feel bad for you? Because, oh, poor me, I manipulate people and I don't want to do it. Well, then why did you try to kill my friends?
Oh,
Like,
I fell.
Girl.
I'm in the ice maw grotto.
Well, that is your problem.
But there are a shit ton of these glowy crystals, so... I think we have to go this way. So... I'm just breaking these crystals for us and making fat gold. Oh yeah, chrysalisks. I remember these douches. You can only hit them on their legs. And then they like fucking explode.
Going right way.
Open your veins!
Right way. My friend needs my help. There's money over here. And I'm like, yeah.
Boom!
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, there's a lot of shit. Need me to heal you? Probably need me to heal you. I'm not gonna make this.
It's okay, I blew myself up.
I saw that. It was a valiant effort. We did try. Robot.
That skill doesn't get really good until later on. Like when you get stronger. Like I might go back when we find Sanctuary, I might respec my tree. I might respec into Hellborn first and then spec into Mania. Because Hellborn will let fire damage and like fucking that'll let me like fucking do mad shit. Or I might just look up like a super god tree. Which I think I can actually. But, yeah! Who are you, Aaron? Who are you? Yeah! Oh, yeah!
No! No!
Jeez.
Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Oh, God.
There's just blood everywhere. There's so many scimitars.
Well, Jesus. Yeah, we're playing the feud!
Alright, before we continue onward, or if you want to continue onward, I'm going to look up the Krieg skill tree. Borderlands 2.
You do that.
Trophy guide. Here we go. PS3trophies.com. Hopefully it's got a... Excuse me. It has a guide for Krieg.
Just, it just goes in a circle.
It might...
Pretty sure it does. It shouldn't be in here.
We can kill things and get EXP.
I can revive you. Here. Calm down.
Life is pain!
Yes. And it fools us all.
Eat my wrath!
I don't know what that means.
What did he say?
There's no fence on this fence.
Ooh, slag rocket launcher.
Okay.
Rob, stand back. You're slagging him. I will save this rocket launcher. I'm not going to use it just quite yet.